Tired of unhealthy takeout and stressful mealtimes? Learn how to master the art of meal prep while maintaining a healthy work-life balance. In this video, we'll share practical tips, time-saving hacks, and delicious recipe ideas to help you nourish your body and mind without sacrificing your sanity. Discover how meal prepping can boost your productivity, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. Number 1, weekly game plan. What I mean by weekly game plan is for you to pick a time to prep meals. Find a time that works best for you, maybe Sunday evening or a quiet weekday night, to plan out your meals for the week. Think about your schedule, any social events, or if you have any specific dietary needs. I find that Sunday evenings are the best for me to plan my meals for the week. It helps me start the week feeling organized and prepared. Number 2, create a shopping list. Based on your meal plan, try and write down everything you need. This prevents impulse buys at the grocery store and ensures you have all the ingredients you'll need. I used to forget things at the grocery store all the time, which would lead to me having to make a last-minute trip or ordering takeout. Creating a shopping list has saved me so much time and frustration. Number 3 is choose easy meals. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Pick simple recipes you enjoy and that you can easily batch cook. Think things like rice, beans, veggies, big salads, or a hearty soup that you can enjoy multiple days. My go-to meal prep recipe is roasted chicken with roasted vegetables. It's easy to make a big batch and then enjoy it for lunch and dinner throughout the week. Number 4 on the list is batch cook like a boss. When you're cooking, make extra. Double or triple the recipe and store the leftovers for future meals. This saves you time and energy later in the week. I learned this trick from my mom. She always made extra portions of everything, and it was a lifesaver when I was growing up, especially when she didn't have time to cook. Also, don't be afraid to use pre-cut veggies or frozen fruits and vegetables. They're a lifesaver when you're short on time. There was a time when I thought using pre-cut veggies was cheating, but I realized that it was just a smart way to save time and effort. Also, get help if you can. If you live with someone, see if they can help with prepping or cooking. It's a great way to make cooking less stressful, and you can share the load and make the process more fun. Number 5 is store it like a boss. Invest in some good quality airtight containers of different sizes. This helps keep your food fresh and makes it easy to grab and go. I finally invested in a good set of glass storage containers, and it's made such a difference in my meal prep game. If you've made extra, freeze portions for those crazy busy days when you have absolutely no time to cook. I've learned the hard way that freezing extra portions can save you in a pinch. I remember one time when I had a super busy week at work, and I was so grateful that I had a few frozen meals in my freezer to rely on. Number 6, be flexible and kind to yourself. Life happens. Sometimes your best laid plans go awry. If you have a super busy week and your meal prep doesn't go exactly as planned, don't beat yourself up about it. Adjust as needed. I've definitely had weeks where my meal prep plans went completely out the window due to unexpected events. It happens. The important thing is to not let it derail you completely. It's okay to order out sometimes. Meal prepping is awesome, but don't feel guilty if you need to order takeout or eat out occasionally. It's about finding a balance that works for you. I used to feel guilty every time I ordered takeout, but I've learned that it's okay to indulge occasionally. It's all about balance. Number 7, and probably the most important tip out of all the other ones, make it a routine and celebrate your wins. The key to success is consistency. Make meal prepping a regular part of your routine is just like brushing your teeth or checking your emails. It took me a while to make meal prepping a habit, but once I did, it became much easier. Also remember to acknowledge your efforts. Maybe treat yourself to a relaxing bath after a successful meal prep session. I always feel a sense of accomplishment after a successful meal prep session. It's a great feeling to know that I've taken care of myself and prepared for the week ahead. Meal prepping doesn't have to be complicated. It's about finding a system that works for your unique lifestyle and making healthy eating a little easier. By implementing these simple tips, you can reduce stress, save time, and feel better about the food you're putting into your body. Remember to learn as you go and to stay inspired. Ditch the what's for dinner panic and embrace a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. And with that, we wrap up our discussion on how to master the art of meal prep while maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to let us know in the comments section below. Keep on snacking, friends. Until next time.